Welcome to Baking with Bonnie, and today we're going to take a little trip into the kids zone. So stay tuned, we're going to make something really fun. So today we're going to make Nilla Nana Nummies, and the ingredients that you will need to make these adorable edible treats will be Nilla wafers, a Nana banana. I'm using this cookie icing that's in the squeezable bag, but you can use any type of icing that you'd like. It's just that this seems to dry better. We're going to decorate the vanilla wafers, and this seems to dry nicely. Peanut butter, and I just bought it in the squeezable bag because it looked kind of fun, but of course any peanut butter in any container will work for this project. Also, I went into my cupboard and I found a whole lot of good stuff to decorate our Nilla Nana Nummies with. So we're going to get started in just a minute. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to slice the banana, and I'm using a plastic knife here. So depending upon the age of your kids, I'm sure that they wouldn't have a problem doing this, but this may be one of the preps that you will have to do for them. All right, so now we're going to put peanut butter on both sides of the Nilla wafers. And again, you know, with a plastic knife, depending upon the age of your kids, I'm sure that they wouldn't have a problem just scooping it out of that jar and putting it on to the inside of these. And now I'm going to spread it around on all of them. All right, so now all of the Nilla wafers are covered in peanut butter. I'm going to take one of the slices of banana and put it in the middle of the Nilla wafer that has the peanut butter on it. And then with the other wafer, you're going to top it off. So it has a top and a bottom and peanut butter and banana on the inside. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take that little sandwich and we're going to dip it, the sides of it, into these little decorative balls of all different colors. And sometimes it gets a little slippery, so I would suggest to the kids to not squish it down, but just simply hold on to it to roll it around. Now you could do it in either the little balls or in any type of the jimmies, and it's going to adhere to that, the inside. Okay, now for the fun part. We're going to decorate our little edible sandwiches. What I did is I took some of that icing and I put it on the plate, and I'm using this lollipop stick. I think it's going to be much easier for the kids to use the icing this way. Squeezing it out of that bag seemed difficult for me, so I'm thinking this is going to be much easier. So we're going to just put that stick into the icing, and we're going to, let's see, put some eyes on this cookie sandwich, lunch for the day for the kids. Maybe they would enjoy that, or maybe they could even give these to, you know, grandma or grandpa. Oops. I'm going to put an eye there for, okay. And then, let's see, maybe let's just give this guy some hair up here. Okay, we're going to get some of that icing, give him some hair. That might look cute. All right, I think he's going to have brown hair. All right, maybe a little bit more over here. He looks a little bit lopsided. All right, now he has some hair. All right, how about a little nose? So we're going to put some of the icing for a nose. And I have these dehydrated marshmallows that I'm going to use to give them a little nose. All right, and now let's give him some kind of a little mouth. All right, so what I'm going to do is, man, I got some of that in here. I guess maybe it wasn't wise to do it all on the same plate. But I am going to dab this on our, I don't know, what should we call him? Give him a name. We can call him Harry. So I'm going to dab some of this for a mouth on Harry. I'm going to use my mini chocolate chips, and we're going to give him some kind of a mouth here. And I'm just going to put this on there. And there you go. There's Harry. Now, I've had some fun doing this because I think that this is going to be great for the kids to do. And I'm just going to show you some of those that I had fun making, just to give you some ideas. And I guess you have to say that they're not really unhealthy. They do have peanut butter and bananas, so maybe these could be little sandwiches for the kids' lunch. I hope you have fun today. I sure did. I love making these. I think they're adorable. I think your kids are going to love making them. If you enjoyed this video, please share it and please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye.